Plastic pollution is one of the most concerning environmental issues in the world. The increasing production of plastics is overwhelming the world's ability to deal with them. Protein engineering allows the efficient design of proteins as a step prior to the experimental validation.
During your stay, the strategy that you will use to tackle this problem is the biodegradation of these materials using bacterial enzymes. You will study and tune these enzymes at the atomic level in order to improve their properties.
You will understand the chemistry behind the plastic degradation, and you will learn the rational design of enzymes. Also, you will be introduced to the most advanced techniques in the bioinformatics tools in the engineering.
You will simulate the mechanism of a bacterial plastic-degrading enzyme with our in-house software called Pele. You will propose your variants in order to improve the activity of these enzymes, and maybe you will be able to find an amazing candidate for plastic degradation.
You will have the opportunity to work at Barcelona Supercomputing Center, where there is one of the largest computers in the European Union.
I would say do it. It's amazing. I was a little worried coming here myself, but the community here is so welcoming and they help you to make sure that you get up on the same level, and it's an experience I think I'm gonna keep close to me for very many years.
Don't hesitate.
Join us.
BIYSC!